Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Beer of the Week video hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you with a special 4th of July Beer of the Week episode. Not an American craft beer, unfortunately. Hard to get. Couldn't do it, unfortunately, but we got a good one for you regardless. The craft beer scene in the United States. It really is the epicenter, the hegemonic power of the world in terms of craft beer. So how many craft breweries are there in the United States? 8,000 breweries. Really, a lot of the trends of the craft beer world really do start in the United States. We have a Toronto craft beer here, our friends at Park Brewery. This is not made on a large scale. We have our ice cream truck cherry sorbet sour. So this is an actual sour beer made with real dark cherry juice. Can you believe it? For the purists out there, this is probably not the best beer for you. I certainly am not. And hey, I love my fruity beers, so I say the more cherry, the merrier. Am I right? I think I'm right. Beautiful color. Get a lovely look of that. Nice, beautiful, kind of reddish amber tinge to it. Definitely gives off those sour, kind of those sour vibes, as well as a real pack of, that really packs a punch of cherry. So let's go. Like I said, I'm a big fruity fan. This is absolutely delightful. You get a bit of a stronger taste with this. It's not one of your lower end, lower percent alcohol sours. This one comes in pretty hot. Hot and crisp and sweet and divine. Absolutely love it. So for my American friends, wherever you are, happy 4th of July. Remember, craft beer is here.